Hello and welcome back to the channel. Mijn naam is VIGGY en ik maak fishing videos. Mostly of Yiddish. Ik heb aangeband doet ze Miguel en hij komt do fishing. So this is the bait.
Yeah.
Man neemt een stukje slang, ze heet bait. Man legt het op de hook en dan wacht man het aan. How long have you been fishing?
Every year.
Every year.
All the time, right here. Nice fish.
What type of fish?
They got bluegills. They have a bass. They got crappies.
What fish is this?
This is a bluegill.
A bluegill?
Bluegill. Gill.
Bluegill.
Yeah. Bluegill.
Okay.
And they call him bluegill. They call him Sonny.
What type of fish could you eat? Can you eat that?
Yeah. That one. I don't eat bass.
You don't eat bass, and that was
bass I do for sport. I just put it back in.
I see. Okay.
Crappies, they're good. That's
Tilapia?
Good. No, crappies. Crappies.
Crappies?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're good. No, they don't have no tilapia here.
Oh, okay, okay. I know zero about like what type of fish.
Tilapia for fresh water.
Ah, okay. Oop, you got some. I'm sorry, I'm gonna make the sound effects.
That's small one, see? They're all small one.
Too small to eat, right?
Yeah, no, yeah. Some people they take him, but I'm not taking it.
He most probably felt strong. He's like, I gotta wait.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, they do. They have fun. Have fun.
I want you to catch one that you could actually eat.
Yeah. Show you what I catch.
It's a windy day, so Chafa Sechab Tov, get the sound. Oh wow, here?
Yeah.
What is this called?
Crappies.
Crappies.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's the best.
the best, but not here.
They have two different kinds. Big mouth or small mouth. That's
So you take them home once you catch them?
No, this one I never take it home. I put it back. I do that for sport. This one, yes, I can take that one. I eat them.
And you eat them.
That's good to eat.
Nice, okay.
That's good. I catch this last week. Goes.
Nice. All right, I'll wait another few minutes, hopefully.
Okay. See, they're hungry. See how they eat it? You have to buy this worm, see?
Oh, wow.
This costs them $4, 24. They're expensive.
But if you catch one good fish, it's for good dinner.
Yeah, well, I do more for sport than anything, you know. If I catch, fine. If not,
Now, this might sound like a dumb question. It doesn't hurt for the fish? For the mouth?
no. What happens is that the bass, you have to be careful because you can hardly, depend how long you keep it out of the water.
Oh, I see.
See what happens, remember, they need oxygen on the water, you know. When
They
you
take
it
out the oxygen from the water.
When you take it out,
Now, is there a difference if you go all the way?
deep.
Like all the way there is better?
No, because look at that.
This camera is not good for far. Oh wow!
They do.
They took it.
I'm feeding them, you know.
Can you put pieces of bread?
Yeah, you can bread. You can use corn.
But this is the best.
Yeah, that's what I will use. You can
Do the fish find these in the water?
Yeah. No, dark too. Nighttime, no matter. Nighttime, daytime.
I see sometimes people have like weights on the string.
Yeah.
You put weights.
Yeah.
Bigger fish need bigger weights.
No. Well, depend what type of fish you like. Yeah.
Ah. How much fish can you catch here?
Well, the law say
Yeah.
this type, the one you see before, the little one,
Yeah.
25 of those. And crappie, I think the same. Bass, the last one I showed you, you cannot catch them until June 15th.
Ah. Okay. What's the difference between the fishing rods, this one and that one?
It's not that much different. That just depend what you're gonna use it for. See that one?
Oh, I see that as a weight. Ah, longer.
Yeah.
I see. Okay. You mean from the white thing?
Yeah.
You're making the fish fat.
I'm feeding them today.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Make them fat.
Yeah, I'm feeding them today, and then when they come back next time,
You catch them.
they're fat and good to eat.
And you cut them up at home.
Yeah, I clean them at home.
It's a hard process, or
Yeah, it is.
you need to know how to do it.
Yes, you have to scale them. You know the scale.
Yeah.
You have to
The
scrape
pieces on them.
them. Yeah, the scale. You have to scrape them, and then you have to clean them.
Let's get a big one, Miguel.
Huh?
Let's get a big one. Do you think the fish will learn one day not to go on the?
Oh, not to. Well, they're hungry, you know, like everything, you know. And when you're hungry, you go to the supermarket, you know, to buy food.
Ah, they go to the supermarket.
The fish, they when they see food, they go after.
Okay, it makes sense.
They take a chance, you know.
But maybe it's a good lesson. It never comes from the sky. It's too good to be true. You gotta run.
Yeah.
So we're gonna wait for one more catch, and then I'm gonna leave you be.
Okay.
But thank you for your patience.
Anytime. I come over here a lot.
All right, Miguel. Thank you for everything.
Okay, take care, man. Have a good day.
A fist bump.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, good luck.
Catch a good one.
Thank you.
Alright, het nicht gehabt. Kein größer Fisch, but ich mir gewissen a picture von a größer Fisch, was gehabt. Man muss beginnen a pur fischen, but ich bin nicht in der Fishing Visa heißt es. So I don't know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Because ich habe es enjoyed. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.